This video will show you how to claim your NFC.sg Digital Profile. Once you place your order, you'll receive this email within 1 working day. Please click the link, and you'll be brought to this page. Next, click Get Started and enter the required information displayed on the page. If you are an admin and need to set up and manage more than 1 profile, please add a common email and password for easy access. Once claimed successfully, you'll receive an email with a link to access the profile editing page. Click the link, and you'll be prompted to log in with the credentials that you have set. Once logged in, you can customize your profile with your information, photo, company logo, and more. Please do not turn on the Collect Contacts button due to personal data privacy. Do explore all the features and design your own digital business card. Once saved, your digital profile will be automatically synced to the cloud. Now you're all set. Just tap your NFC card on an NFC-enabled phone, and your digital profile will appear instantly. The Add to Contact button lets others easily save your details to their phone. For more help, contact us at www.printid.com.sg.